Good evening, everyone. I am Joyadrita Raghavendran, a Bengali home chef based in Chennai. I have been a communication coach for over 10 years before switching my profession to a full-time Bengali home chef. I have my own venture, Food of Joy, Flavors of Bengal, that I operate from my home kitchen. And I have collaborated with over 7 restaurants and hotels, brands like Hyatt Regency, Hilton, Novotel, etc. And today I was invited to Dr.MGR Educational Research Institute to have an interactive session with the students of the hospitality management group. And I also had a demonstration wherein I cooked some specific dishes from Bengal, and the entire hospitality, the arrangement of the program has been amazing. The interaction with the students, the teachers, the dean, and everyone has been outstanding. I am truly honored to have been invited here. I had a beautiful time, and it is really a privilege to begin this journey that Dr.MGR Educational Research Institute has undertaken. The entire event is called Annapurna, the Giver of Food and Nourishment. It's a Culinary Quest Series wherein they will be featuring a lot of home chefs from various genres and regions, and I am really privileged to begin this journey. Thank you so much for this opportunity.